This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix WhatsApp app no longer works on this iPhone problem. So if you're facing this issue, don't worry. Let's see how you can fix this problem. So here's I opened a browser and I searched for WhatsApp no longer work on this iPhone problem. And here we can see a little article. WhatsApp has dropped support for smartphones running on Android 4.4 KitKat and older and iOS 10 and iOS 11 starting October 24, 2023. This means that WhatsApp no longer works on older Android phones and iPhones running on this older OS version. So all you have to need just update your Android version, or you can change your phone. You can upgrade your phone to a new phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.